ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video featuring your main man, Skull Squasher, Filthy Bark, and of course we've got Lucky Sniper in here. The boys are taking off because today we're doing the one, the only, Truck You mission. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, these two are going to ride around the map, staying in the city limits, and I'm going to hunt them down in my truck and blow them up. That's right, it's time for carnage. Without further ado, let's go find them. Oh! Hi, buddy.
I think you meant to run away from him, that's the goal.
And yeah, guys, that's the thing. We are not shooting each other, so I just have to destroy them with my truck. And my truck's name is Truck You, ladies and gentlemen. Hence the name of the video, Truck You. You goddamn butt.
You're so trash, Anthony. Good crunches and watching French.
Oh no.
Anthony, your car's faster than him.
Oh no. Oh god. Oh god.
He can't kill me. I'm a bad bitch.
He can literally get you there.
Take it over. No. Damn it.
Come, turn this way, turn this way. You idiot. 360.
Race. Street race. Chase
Yours gonna win, Anthony, any day of the week.
How cinematic did that look in your rear view
Anthony,
mirrors,
turn
boys?
up. Can't even see it.
Turn down for what?
Oh
flame.
no!
Flip over, car. Flip over.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
He
No,
missed.
no.
Yeah, Brendan, what you doing there?
Oh, get up there.
I'm fucking screwed.
Ooh, present.
Oh shit!
Oh, I just ran up 4-man over.
No,
Brandon,
this
come
is
on.
tougher than I expected.
Will that get our cars fixed or not?
Nope. That's
Oh.
like the one rule.
You know
You
what the
can get
sad
out
part
and
is?
get a new car, but you can't get your cars fixed.
You know what the sad part is? You have not done any of the damage to my car.
Yeah, that doesn't
This
surprise
is
me.
just from
Up
me.
with you. Crap, I thought that was open.
I'm a bit rusty at playing
There it is.
GTA because I never played this as much.
Oh.
And
How are these gangsters still up? Oh, get jammed up the game.
not the funniest part is, Brandon. I made you flip before you even get me. And
How did
destroyed
you
a light
make me
post.
flip?
Destroyed a light post. You flipped and hit me.
Oh damn, gangsters just trying to kill me.
Hold on, just save me.
I love his fuck.
Ah,
Oh, Loki,
Anthony.
you get screwed there, bro. I'll give you a hand.
what?
Yeah.
I'm good, bro. Just drive through this fence real quick. Oh no, I'm not good. Oh, that was a hard hit. Anthony, I need help, bro. Help me.
No.
Break my
Get
door,
off
Rocky.
your-
Go.
Loki.
Yes, Anthony. Yes, Anthony. Oh, that's a pole.
God damn it.
He's pissed.
Yeah, I got
Is
cops
that a
after me. Thank you.
To alleyway. Loki! Loki!
I'm trying, bro.
Oh, no, I'm fine.
Oh, go.
Bye, Brandon.
Oh, don't get that way, guys. How am I supposed to do
Anthony,
that?
my car is going so bad right now.
The hardest part is to decide who to go for.
My car's almost starting to go for Anthony. You stupid cop driver! Why would you crash into me and I get the car?
Landed it.
Blended it. Who are you? Mike Game or whatever his name is.
Yeah, hop
I said
again.
landed it.
Landed it.
Anthony landed it.
blended it.
At least you did a 360.
No, that's a fence. You can't get through. How was that remotely a 360, you dumbass?
Go, Anthony, go. There's a freaking NPC trying to crash into me. My car's starting to like die out.
I had to stay on
Did your car just blow up, Anthony? I heard an explosion.
let's try to blow me out with landmines, I think.
No, it
I'm
doesn't.
not trying
It
to
doesn't
blow you up
actually.
with my lamb
It's an
bullet
impulse
mines.
grenade. It just shoots you up in the air.
I'll
Car
come
is
down.
dying, bro.
I'll come down. He's trying to kill us.
Oh god, what? Oh, excuse me, lady! That was incredibly rude! You told me to go. Just straight up told me to go fuck myself.
Move, Anthony! No, you shouldn't.
No piece of shit.
It's a Prius, mate. Don't. It's got a sharper turn and circle than you do. Nope. That's reversed. Oh, don't drive off.
I'm out. Goodbye.
I'll hit you with my rear end, I ain't scared.
Let me out,
Trying
it's
to get
gonna
out of the
slide.
water, trying to get. Oh no! Get away from the water! Get away from the water! Fuck you, Lucky! Yeah, I will. I'm coming around. Oh my god! I'm a pro! I'm a pro! Man, stop dropping impulse! Thanks at me! Yep. Yep, thanks. I'm back
You are
to
not getting out of this
on
one.
you.
You can't.
The car's bulletproof anyway. Bulletproof, but...
Yeah.
Hey, no!
I'm stuck, Anthony! I'm stuck.
Oh yeah, you're stuck now.
Oh, I'm getting shot by the cops. If I die by the cops, it doesn't count.
Oh, it was worth letting him go for that. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna get you in the water.
Oh.
Go!
I'm coming around the free spray in
Go!
the water.
No! What? You son of a bitch.
Anthony, pick up now.
Yep, come on.
No, Brand, you said you weren't using the guns on us.
I didn't hit you. Ooh, you know what? I should probably turn friendly fire on. Just a quick second, boy.
I'm launching Brandon in the water, bro. I'm launching him.
Anthony, let me in the car, Anthony! Go! You can't get out this way.
Well, this is bad. This is bad.
We're screwed. We're screwed.
Look, get it. You ready? Oh, it's looking pretty at the other side.
Oh no! I don't want to die. I'm too young to die.
Oh, I thought Lockie was in the Prius. There's a cop in it. Yeah.
See you, boys. I'm out. Let's go, Anthony. Oh, my car's on fire.
Oh, no.
Don't go near it.
Oh, you need to get away from it.
Anthony, I need to
quick.
pick up.
Your car's on fire. Let me give you a quick boost. Guys, your car's on fire.
Go. Go, Anthony, go.
Hey, get back.
Anthony, you just missed the way out, bro.
You're just joking.
Oh, we'll win it. It's just gonna come around the corner and smack us into the water.
No,
We need to get out of here, bro. I need to get my own car. Oh, Anthony. Come on, man. Oh, it's just still a cop car.
Nope.
Go, 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 go.
Oh! I shot myself. Oh shit.
Cross! What?
Go, 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 go.
God damn it!
I was quick. Oh, this is fun.
I thought I had you for real.
Yeah.
So
A
determined.
big fire
Oh,
car
there goes
has a
couples.
lot more power to go.
Get me away from it so I can get a car so we can split up again so it makes it harder. Or we don't split up, we'll just... No.
Bro, you're not catching up to me yet.
Get in the car, get in the car, get in the car!
Oh shit.
Oh, Jesus, I'm on the roof of a building. That's nice to know. Well, I'm set, Anthony. He can't get to me. No, I jumped down for some reason.
Where's this buddy? Goodbye.
Anthony, I need to pick up. I need to pick up. No, actually, I'm good. He can't get me now. Drive up the stairs. Just don't come down here. You won't get out. There we go. I'm all good. Effie, I'm not all good. I'm out of the car. Effie. Go in.
Nah, hit the wall.
No! I rolled!
Go!
Lucky, where are you?
Still in the
Get
copper.
up!
Just get out of here.
Oh.
Get out.
Crap, that doesn't break.
Lucky,
Hey, watch it.
oh no! You have to touch.
This isn't good. Nope. Bye. Oh.
Lucky, I'm kind of
What am I stuck on? Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh god!
Get my, can I get a
Stop
boost,
it.
please? Nah,
I think this isn't fair. This isn't fair.
This guy got him!
Go! Get out of here, Anthony! I'm gonna die to the cops. There's placing bombs everywhere, Anthony. I'm gonna flat fire. How'd the cops get in there? They're in the encaged
I
area.
don't know. Landed it!
You might want to get Anthony, my tires popped. Get back in another car. Brandon's nowhere near me.
Dun, 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 dun. I can't turn the corner because this thing just glitched.
Stupid cop. I'm calling the cops off me even though I'm gonna get back on me anyway.
Exactly. Precisely why I haven't even attempted to do it.
Yeah!
Hey, that's my back wheels, you.
No way! Look, that's the head, bro!
You did do a lot of
No,
damage.
you're fine.
Now that's a lot of damage. Ooh, yes. Yes, stop the vehicle, sir.
I'm coming out!
Need some super glue to fix up your vehicle,
Don't
mate.
break up. FBI, I
Oh,
got a
got
good
him.
car now.
How does a bush not be? How can I not drive through a bush in this, but I can flip cop cars like it's nothing?
Oh, boys, what's going on?
Next round we should allowed to have 2 cars.
Next round. Oh, I'm gonna have a bouncy on me as well. Wow. Like Jack, this kid's call of it.
Yeah!
Oh, freaking
Nailed him.
bomb and rage.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Oh, baby.
If you want to do better, go for it.
Doesn't even have one of them.
Oh, Brandon cut. No! Go for that fence! No way!
Maybe just head on with a cop.
No! way!
Look, he just went flying.
Oh, my car stalled! My car stalled!
Anthony. Oh, thanks, Brandon.
Okay, yeah.
Anthony, I am stuck behind a house.
I'm standing in my car, bro.
He's gonna drive off.
No!
No! Get close to him.
No shit.
Anthony,
I'm
I
not
need a
stupid.
boost, bro. I'm
Oh,
dying.
I thought I'd clip him if I went over.
Oh, I need to pick up Anthony. I'm gonna die to the cops. If I die to the cops, I'll call my car in. He's gonna be at his thing in like a second. Ooh,
We'll take that
give me
now.
the Regina. Give me the Regina. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. The Reginas are the... Anthony, you just almost killed... Anthony, you're gonna kill me.
I'm sorry.
There's a Banshee down here. I'm gonna go stop it.
Oh, there's an Audi. You have an Audi.
Neener,
Oh, yeah,
neener,
Right here, right here, right here.
neener, neener,
Right,
neener,
no,
neener,
this time.
neener,
This time, bro.
neener, neener.
This is an armed robbery. Never mind. Go fucking
He's dead, bro.
Ah! Don't die!
Hurry up, get in, bro.
Right, we need to go now.
Where the hell's my goddamn vehicle? Oh, there it is.
You fucking shot my tires.
Guess
out,
what?
you
Coming through. Beep,
No, I
beep,
shot the
beep, beep,
freaking
beep,
window.
beep.
That's it.
No, the cops did.
Anthony, are we...
Stupid car. Hey, back here, you. Get your ass back here, fool.
Get in the backpack. 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 Get in the backpack.
You get in, get in.
He's coming, he's coming.
Holy
Oh,
fuck.
he got in it. Oh, Anthony. Man, just fucked him, bro.
Bro, I got the backpack. You don't win the nail, boy.
Who called her a magpie?
Hey, backpack. Black and white.
Before, I reckon.
White. Black and white. Black and white. Black and white. Look, you get out
Oh,
of
it's so glitchy. Anthony, I've got 2 pop tires. I'm not going nowhere, bro. Oh, Jesus. Your blade just went... I literally cannot get any traction. It's just like... I've got full pop tires, bro. Just leave me alone, would ya?
No, 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 no. This might be my chance to actually get a kill.
Mama shield.
Oh, you stupid... Anthony, I need to pick up, bro. I need to pick up.
He's a little preoccupied at the moment. What? He just shot you up over the fence and then the fence broke.
Okay, I can jump. Oh,
I'm stuck. Not fair, not fair, not fair. Get in the car.
Lucky, I need you to
I
bump
don't
me.
even care. Anthony, I'm stuck, bro. What?
Yes!
What?
Yeah!
What just happened?
You did, fool.
How'd you kill me?
You jumped
flatten
out,
me?
got on my car and just
I
swiped
didn't get
onto
out,
you,
that's the
bro.
thing.
Still going. I just want to take out some pop. Yeah. And roll out some toys.
Yeah!
No,
Lucky
I
just killed us
dropped
all.
C4.
Did you shoot Lockie?
I
Oh.
dropped C4.
I haven't got explosives. Oh, mine's on fire. What the frick?
You killed us all.
I just used my shunt boost. I came in with my shunt up boost thing. Oh, come out. What the frick? How did Brandon just die? Oh, a helicopter
blew him
exploded in front of him.
Did you back? Where are you? No!
What? How'd you bomb me? Oh, you shot your explosive.
I shot you with the shotgun. I'm counting you killing Anthony as my kill because I killed him.
He left
should have been
anyway.
dead by rights. Yeah, but he should have been dead by rights.
Right, I died because of you.
Ah, I'm getting shot, bro.
He tried to kill us, bro. Bloody blew him up with my impulse.
Hey, baby.
What?
When I died, it said Skulls.
Oh, you're done.
Killed me.
You're done.
YouTube it is.
round
Fortnite it
two
is.
over. Whoop, whoop. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for viewing this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.